Welcome once again to my channel. In this episode I'll be taking you through this automatic Nerf turret that I built. I wanted to build something that would actually shoot at my kids and or friends. I didn't want to complicate it too much to the point where I had to track people. So I decided to build a static model with a fixed pointing rifle. However, I found if people were moving back and forth, by the time it activates and it shoots them, they're already moved out of the way. So I decided to implement a mechanism whereby the turret would swivel left and right, only ever so much, just to cover a wider angle of arc. The trigger mechanism is activated by a motion sensor as well. I've used a motor from a ride-on car, which will oscillate the Nerf turret, 12 volt power supply control box, and the rest electronics is in the box here as well. This can be mounted on its own like this or on a tripod as well. The Nerf rifle was an old toy I bought off Facebook Market. I've had to modify it slightly so I can fire the mechanism electrically. It's made up of two mechanisms, one of the two rollers which spin really fast, and the second is the bullet feeder. Bullets are obviously the Nerf bullets. The entire mechanism is built from PVC and timber as well, so it's not heavy at all. Hope you enjoy. Here's a basic layout of all the components. The power supply provides 12 volts to the main oscillator and 6 volts to the nano and then to the Nerf turret via the regulator. Firing the Nerf turret takes place by spinning up the rollers and then injecting the bullets into the chamber. I've replicated this process using a relay switch to spin up the rollers and a servo to activate the trigger switch. The motion sensor provides input to the nano, and the trim pot you see there will actually adjust the length of firing. Once motion is sensed, the rollers are spun up first to get to the appropriate speed, then the trigger mechanism is activated, followed by the oscillator which will turn the gun left and right. So powering the unit. And as you can see, you didn't hear anything firing because the key hasn't been used. You want to insert the key. And I can make adjustments to this here. This will increase the length it's firing for. Probably going to chop all the bullets anyway. For indoor use, 4 or 5 meter range is about right for the sensitivity. I can of course invest in high quality PIR sensors for rapid response, but I think for a toy it's not too bad. So thanks once again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that. For part 2, I'll be building a much more elaborate turret with a high-speed motor, and using an AI camera. There's a Husky lens to track people and hopefully provide more accurate shooting as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.